Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Spatha. In this video I'll show you how to change color cycle of your mouse. In the beginning, take a look at your mouse. Right here we've got the DPI button, and here we've got the 6 functional buttons. Press A button, which is DPI button, with each of the buttons to change color mode. For example, press DPI button plus this button for rainbow mode, plus this button for cycle, plus this button for breathing, reactive green, and comet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.